This video is a request by Carter Yeasley. Wow. Gumball! Gumball! Wake up, boy, you're burning me money! Wait, what? Ah! Whisper, what do we do? Here, use this. Okay. Seriously? Ah! Hooray! Gumball, come to my office. What's wrong, boy? Well, this is the fourth time this week. I had to scrape you off something. Well, I've been thinking. We need to get you thinking about work. This is your natural habitat. And this is your wide open range. And these are your ember waves. And this, ta-da! Oh, this is your golden scepter with which you rule. That'll be even nasty old jellyfish, right, Gumball? Gumball? I can't do lives more than one day. I'll show him. Barnacles. Gumball, wait! Oh, he'll be right back. And Chef Pee-Pee, I want you to have my kennel bear. And I thought this friendship was never pay. Are you sure you want to give me this mayonnaise? It's all yours. And these old phone books, they're all yours, old friend. But there's one more thing that I want you to give. Ta-da! The invisible net. Oh, howdy, guys. Gumball, are you having a garbage sale? No, Jesse. I gave up my little presents to live in the wild with the jellyfishes. Gumball, all those crazy things. Why would you want to live among the jellyfish? They were cold and mean and none too bright. Oh, Jesse, that's exactly that response. I would like you see to live in a same right there. I'm gonna bring you to be happy. Maybe someday you'll want to join me. Goodbye. I won't need these anymore. La la ba ba. He took off his outfit. I'll give him a week. Well, I'm gonna give him 11 minutes. Peppermint Patty sad. I'm home. 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 Hey, brothers and sisters, wait for me. Buzz, 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 buzz. Hey, I just got there. My Jellyfish internet told me to go that way. Buzz, 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 buzz. This is the life. Hey everybody, Buzz, Buzz, Buzz to meet you, Buzz. You're clearly nice today. Hey, what's the buzz? Hello, I'm Jelly Bob, and who are you? Nice to meet you. Wait, what does that smell? It came from there. Let's see where it came from. Here, Peppermint Patty. Have a Krabby Patty. Ooh, Krabby Patties. There he is. Say your line. Why, thank you, Jessie. I will love one. Take Patty. Too bad Gumball is not here. These are his favorites. I'm sure wish he'll come home. Take a bite. I can't do it! Gumball, come back! Peppermint Patty, I'm not coming home. I miss you. Jessie misses you. Even Chef Pee-Pee misses you. Yeah! Woohoo! He died. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Yeah, yeah, yeah. He's gone. He's gone. He's gone. Ow. I'm happy there. This is my home now. No! Gumball! Hey guys, I'm back. I think I gained a hang of this. Wait, where did everybody go? Peppermint Patty, what are you doing here? If I could have you as a friend, I'm going to make you a trophy. I even picked out a nice chart for you. Peppermint Patty, go home. I'm a Jellyfish now. Get out of my way. I can see you. I can see you here. I still see you. You're going to look good. Where can I hide now? Oh, this is a perfect hiding spot. Yes. He's not going to catch me now. Oh yeah, and by the way, what's the worst thing gonna happen? Yoo-hoo! Wait, what? I got you now, Gumball. I gotta hurry up. Okay. So this is the way to go to be. I hope you're happy. Well, that's over. Back to Jellyfish Matters. What's this? What's this purple stuff? Jelly. Ah, my jellyfish are returned. Greetings, Cardi. Stop it! Stop it! Feed a jellyfish. Sure is fun. Buzz. 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 Huh? Hey! Ew. I'm itchy. Itchy. Why am I so itchy? Poison G-urchins. Ow, 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 ouch, itchy, itchy, ow, 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 itchy, itchy, Buzz, 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 Krabby Patties, buzz, 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 Sandy, buzz, buzz, buzz. What have I done? I have great friends, and I gave on to them. Welcome home, Gumball. Oh, you guys are the best. I made a huge mistake. Please forgive me. I quit your bubbling, and I have a Krabby Patty. You don't mind if I do? No. And I'll see you at the work at first tomorrow morning. Aye, aye, Captain. Oh yeah, and Gumball, do us out a favor. Have this. But don't mind if I do. Ta-da! Okay, that's enough. Could we please stop with this? Peppermint Patty itchy. It is great to be home.